My name is Bala Ambati. I'm an ophthalmologist in Eugene, Oregon. I have a patient has ALS or Lou Gehrig's disease. Earlier this year, he showed up in my clinic to follow up, and his vision was getting blurry again. Basically, he had a condition called posterior capsular opacification, or PCO. The problem is when you treat PCO, normally patients sit upright, but for Michael, because of his ALS, he can't sit upright. So I was looking for possible solutions and came across Meridian, which makes a laser that can shoot vertically down. The posterior capsular opacification was quite thick, but even despite that, the laser was able to handle that, just raised the energy, and the laser was able to cut through that scar tissue. Everything went really well. And afterward, the patient's able to see better and be on the computer and see his family again. And very much life-changing for the patient to get their vision restored once again. It was the right technology at the right time at the right place to help take care of this patient.